All right, we got this amazing foldable double drying rack. I'm gonna bring it up closer in just a second, but I wanted to give you a full vibe just so you can see how big this thing can be. As you can see, a lot of space that it takes up. I'm gonna fold it down at the end just to show you how compact it can be as well. But this thing is great. I think it's perfect. Great for indoor and outdoor use. Let me just come right here, give you the full vibe. So as you can see, all right in this area, I've got hangers up here, but you can use all these different slots right here. As well as I got my folded towel right in here that's already dry and ready to go. You can also set a lot of different stuff there. Got some towels hanging right here, towels hanging down here. Got my socks. Let me bring this actually over here to show you here. Got my socks right in here in these little slots right here. And got slippers down at the bottom. I'll show you down there, right down there, hanging on these little slots right here. You've also got them over here as well. All right, here we are. As you can see, I lowered this side a little bit and I pulled this side up because there's a rack there. Let me just show you really quick how to break this down. How quickly it breaks down too. Pull that down. There you go. Look how compact that is. That's crazy. This is amazing.